Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access lock screen section. Now tap on screen lock type at the top and click on the best login method for you, PIN, pattern or password. Now you need to create it. Choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Lastly, click on confirm. Then adjust notifications on your lock screen or disable them completely by tapping on this switcher at the top. When you're ready, click on done. Then pick the best option for you in the pop-up. And now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!